Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. For my next build, I'm building this MENG 9A52-2 Smerch. It's a Russian rocket launcher. This is a huge kit, so it's going to take 1 or 2 videos to do it. So I don't know how many parts, but it's a large kit. I'm going to be doing it, I think, in the Belarus colours, winter pattern. But let's show you what's in the box. I'll just remove the lid. I've already opened this up. The instruction comes in this really nice booklet, which is getting common with MENG kits now. And in it you have your Chinese and other languages as well as English, which is good. You have 6 options here. This is the option I'm going to be doing, I think. I won't know for sure straight away, not until I go on to the top half after I've built the bottom axle and wheels and so forth, but I'm pretty damn sure I'll be doing that one, but I may change my mind. So going through these, they look fairly standard. As I said, I've already had a quick look at them. Yeah, it's a big kit, but the steps look nice and easy to follow, which is really good. The wheels look amazing on this kit. I'll show you them once I get to the box part. So, as you can see, it's a big book, very well involved. So on here we have the sprue plan. It runs from A to right through the alphabet by the looks of it. Yeah. I counted them. I think there's around about 30 sprues in total. 27, 25, something like that. I can't quite remember. Are the main ones. And for the missiles and that, if you count them as a sprue, that sort of adds up to your 30 odd. There's photo etch parts, small decal sheet, and not sure what it is. I think that's probably just some wire or something like that. And it has its own dedicated rubber tiles. And here are the options. So you got Victory Day. I can't read upside down. I'll just turn that around. Victory Day Parade Russia 2009. And on this one, International Defence Exhibition of Land Forces 2008. Also, this is a Russian vehicle, so it'll all be in Russian. This is the Belarus one. Doesn't give an actual date on this, but I think it's from around 85 onwards, 87 maybe. And this one is the Gun Rocket Artillery Brigade for the Russian Army. Again, I'll turn this around. A certain unit north, Kharkiv Melee District, Russian Army 2009, and this one is the Kuwait Army. Again, no date on this one. I don't know when that was operation, probably before the first Gulf War. And so I've already started making notes on the paint list. The primary colours they're calling for manufacture is Village Yellow. So what I've done is I've just noted down the numbers and I'm putting in different paint codes, the different paints. I do have Villaggio paints, but I tend to stay away from them just because they're tucked away in a drawer and the other ones are easier to get. Right, so this is the box with the sprues in it. Quite a lot of sprues, as I said before. A little bit of clear here, clear parts, which is nice. It's what you would expect from a normal kit. These are the rocket launchers here. You know, if you count them as sprues, then you know you're encroaching on 50. How much be? There's a little rope and wire that they were showing in the instructions. The tyres are really impressive. Obviously, it's going to have big chunky tyres, but I like the colour on them. They're all they've done them in a dusty rubber colour that life colour paint tries to achieve. But this has already been done for you, and they look really good. And the photo etch parts. Not sure whether I'll use the photo etch. We'll see whether there's a moulded plastic alternative, because I don't particularly like photo etch, especially on things like this. I don't think it adds much detail to them. I would assume the I can't see the decal sheet, but it'll be a small one anyway. It'll be in there somewhere. And what else do we have there? We have, I don't know what these are. There'll be something for the wheels, no doubt. So that's what's in the box. So I'll go and get all this primed, and then we'll get into the build.